What is the efficiency of a heat pump?
We define it in terms of coefficient of performance. So, efficiency we don't define the first law efficiency but we can find the second law efficiency.
You first stick to only efficiency. That first second will come later.
Yes, sir. So we define the coefficient of performance of the heat pump, and it is given by the expression that
Okay. Why we call it coefficient of performance and not efficiency? Although
because
it means the same, output to input.
if we define efficiency in terms of uh, output achieved,